Okay, ito na. Shimano Curado DC 150 HG unboxing. Check na natin. Siyempre again, real information, instruction guide, schematics, more paperwork, sa box, warranty information, warranty card, kasamang Shimano Real Oil, ang maintenance natin. Yun lang ang nasa box. Okay, so ito na yung reel itself. Here we go. There it is. Almost perfect. Shimano's workhorse na ngayon meron ng DC, digital cast control. Yung digital cast control knob dito yung na-adjust. So whatever recommended ng mga guys natin from Shimano, mag-start ka with 4, no? Pero of course it's up to you kung gaano kabigat yung ginagamit mong lures. Feeling ko mas longer yung handle, no? Let's compare mamaya sa lumang Curado without the DC. Bigger spool tension knob, very big. Nice, unlimited, infinite clicking sa drags. So micro adjustable drag siya. Ikaw na bahala kung gaano kalakas ang drag ang gusto mo. Specs wise, gear ratio HG is 7.4:1. Bigat niya is 220 grams. A bit lighter than the Antares DC. Sa braid, mga 20-pound braid na Power Pro kaya 150 yards. So about 180 meters of 20-pound braid. Almost 200 meters. Drag niya naman 5 kilos of drag. 6 bearings plus 1 anti-reverse bearings, and that's pretty much it. And here is the older model, last year's model ng Curado, no? So size comparison wise, pretty much identical. Same din siya. So 200 meters, 180 meters of 20-pound braid. Profile, mas mataba ng konti because of the digital cast control system. Mas bulkier siya sa puwet, pero okay lang naman. Cast control knobs, drag, very similar. But sa handle, tama yung hula natin kanina, no? Mas mahaba ang handle ng Shimano Curado 150 DC. So you get more power, more cranking power at the end of the day. Casting wise, parehong maganda, smooth. But of course, you have the advantage of casting accuracy because of the DC, digital cast control. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Shimano Curado 150 HG DC.